Whoa there, bro.
Yo, apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right? But it feels so wrong. Got paid, but I had to stretch it. Now I'm posted up trying to get it. She like, why you heartless? These hoes won't even get it. I got mad and I wanted to pull man up. If bros on go, don't tempt me. Don't even step with man if you're gonna explain to me why you left me. I was beefing guys that ain't got funds. Your line is slow, don't claim you shot. Dress code black in summer, same tracksuit, yo man's not hot. Couldn't even book no hotel, told my yeah that I know one spot. Fed on the block, let's relocate if shit gets hot.
Shit, what you saying though, man? I don't hear from you no more, bro. You good? You wanna check on man, fam? Just been on the block, man.
Yeah.
You're my thing. You know how it is, bro.
Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right? Boy, it feels so wrong. Yo, shouted K like yo bro bleach it. At home debating the repercussions, yo fuck that, I'm leaving. Ran man down in the...
What's going on, guys? It is MC Leo here, or MC Leo Galena, and today we're back with another video. Today I'm going to Allen Park with Jackson.
Yo.
And make sure to subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna have that image pop up right here. He's gonna start doing.
Brand new. I'm gonna start. Hopefully.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit.
And oh shit. And yeah, I'm about to go test a Lucky 6 Silver, in Allen Park.
Same color too.
Yeah.
I didn't even know.
I'm pretty sure, or it's the gold one.
I mean, it's gonna be.
I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna go test that out, guys. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. We're outside. It's not necessarily a beautiful day out today, guys, but I mean, it is what it is. It's nice, it's gloomy, you know? First wheelie of the day, hold up. Let's go, Chad. Did he call me a worm? Should I do it for as long as you can?
Okay.
About 20 seconds.
Where do we gotta go?
24. Left.
Right here?
No, up there. Where past it. You're at 1 minute.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Holy crap. My arms are killing me. I'll just go to the end of the street.
What's good? What is good? At the OW? God damn.
Like it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get the silver one.
Yeah.
Anyone want mine? It's that
FTO?
FTG. Oh, bruh. Yo, dude, it's so. Is this what it's like? Bass? God damn. It's very slick. Very low. Oh, I mean.
It's easier to wheelie a hardtail.
Oh, dude, the brakes are good, but. I mean, it's easy to wheelie, yeah. But it's like, can you make it go higher?
You get longer forks than yeah.
It seems it's smooth. It's. I could definitely rock this thing, bro. Dude, so much nicer. I just don't want to keep going and.
I should don't even scream, bro.
And that, yeah, and that's nice.
This is my shit, bro.
Dude. Yeah, that thing is nice. That's gonna be the new bike for the channel.
This one?
Yep. I'm getting the silver.
Silver?
Uh-huh.
I didn't realize my shit was fucking
Brings you guys.
Oh, we're just trying to like get away from the rain. It's about to rain.
Let's get to it.
We don't allow bicycles in there.
Can we leave them in like the main area then?
All right, you gotta use the bike rack on the sidewalk over there.
Okay.
There's too many people, elderly, that walk through here as well, so
Okay, sorry about
appreciate you not bringing them in. I don't know what brings you in right now.
The rain.
Rain. It's about to rain. Think about it.
Okay.
We don't want to get wet and bother our bikes. Thank you. Now where do we fucking go?
Jackass. Where we going?
Why are we going to Subway?
I don't know.
One ice cream.
What the fuck is that?
Who was that? Was that Bella?
Oh yeah, we got the same brakes, right? Why'd you take the Shimano's off?
Yours don't do this
Yeah, because I have good brakes.
I tried to do, one hand. I went like forward after one hand, and the capsule or whatever for the oil just broke off.
So you just got new brakes? I'm gonna need this. It's gonna take me like a few weeks to get used to this. I've never been on a bike like this. Chase never lets me ride his. Shit. Oh, the seat is so comfortable. Oh. Okay, I see that. Now you gotta lean more back.
I mean, it's gonna take you a while to get used to the mountain.
I got it. Like, barely popped out.
Hey, spread that shit right there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's so weird to me. Crazy.
Wow.
You might give me 10K.
Maybe.
New grip. Hey.
What's mine?
Yo, bro.
Hey.
Well, this area is hella nice.
Hey, we're in Dearborn. Hey. I do this little stoppy. You like it? Hey. I don't fucking know. Ah, look at that, look at this. Yeah. No, guys, I just want to say, I don't know. It's kind of both their faults. Him on his phone, me riding on the sidewalk. It wasn't a good look on both of our parts. But, you know, it's mostly my fault because I kind of ran into him and I didn't know what I was doing at that time. So, I was not trying to crash. In the comments, if you're like gonna fry me for that, if you don't get it, it's my fault. You know, I need to get better at, you know, staying off the sidewalk. Do not be on the sidewalk. Whoa there, bro. Get off your phone, man. What the fuck?
You good?
Are you serious?
You good?
Yo, did you see that? Yo, come on, man.
Sorry about that.
Dude, you gotta get off your phone, man.
Yes, sir.
What the fuck?
Sorry. Are you good?
I'm not. I'm not good. I'm not good at all. It's not.
You good?
You're looking, it's really not. It's really not. Shut the fuck up.
I apologize.
They're more of a bitch than you are. Keep walking. Stop staring. Okay, buddy. What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me?
Is you good?
I mean, my bike's fine. Hopefully, it's this that's pissing me off.
You wanna do it?
What the fuck? No, it's that fucking sign mostly. Oh, fucking hell. I need water. Oh, can I spray some of that on here? Or were they fucking... And they can go fuck themselves. I just...
You at JCPenney yesterday? Taylor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some bitch just ran in front of me. This guy, I was doing a wheelie and tried to put it down and he walks right in front of me. And then these girls said it's my fault. Oh, there's them again.
Hey, hey, let me get the bike back really quick.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fucking crash right into them. You don't even know my mom. Your door's closing. Your door's closing. Bye. Hey. Okay. Maybe I'm shy too.
It's your own damn channel, bro.
Oh, okay.
I did it on purpose.
Hey.
Ah, sketchy ass fucking. Ah!
Did you get that? Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, it's still going too, you know it?
Sweet.
I know, right?
Let's go.
It's fucking awesome. Fucking awesome, man. Woo. Oh, yeah.
Alrighty guys, it's the end of the video. I had a lot of crashes today. Like a lot of them. So it's gonna be pretty hard to like trying to get better. Man, my bike keeps cracking like crazy. Keeps making these ticking noises and stuff. So I'm gonna try to fix that soon. I'm on my way back home right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Woo!